Welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Nptel Cryogenic Hydrogen Technology last assignment, that is week 8 assignment. So we need to week 8 assignment. The answer for our first question will be option B, that is RDFE. Question second, answer will be option B, that is it minimizes the error associated with the lead wires. Question third, answer will be option A. Question fourth, answer will be option C, evaporation of the liquid. Question fifth, answer will be option B, to produce electrical energy from the chemical energy. Question sixth, answer will be option C, fuel cell is an energy conservation device. Question seventh, answer will be option A. Question eighth, answer will be option D, that is both A and C. Question ninth, answer will be option B, release of the inert cryogens, nitrogen or argon in the closed room. Question 10th, answer will be option A, aluminium alloys. Question 11th, answer will be option B. Question 12th, answer will be option C, 9.78 tons. Question 13th, answer will be option B, that is 102 kilonewton. Question 14th, answer will be option D, 391 second. Question 15th, answer will be option B, that is 1 and second. Now we can submit our assignment. Thank you guys. I hope this video will be useful for all of you, and I wish all the best for your exams. And one last tip I want to share with you: if your preparation is not that much good, you just need to memorize all your assignment answers, and you can also try previous year assignment answers. I also passed my 2 NPTEL examinations by just memorizing all the assignments. Thank you. All the best for your exams.